you know, a healthy lifestyle and a healthy gut. And I stop at this stage. These are the takeaways, and I've already talked about it. You can just read it. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Professor Zahir Yassin Hashmi Sahab, ex-principal, Punjab Medical College, for excellent talk on the importance of the method and the diabetes mellitus. Our next lecture is from online, from Professor Dr. Hamid Farooqi Sahab. He is basically director Dubai Medical Center. Mr. Zia Atiq will be presenting his details of his center.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon to everybody. On the behalf of High Noon, I formally thank you to all of you, especially the society which we are seeing today is a Lyle Pool Diabetes Foundation organizing such a wonderful scientific session, and the all credit goes to Professor Dr. Zahir Yassin Hashmi Sahab, Dr. Ahmed Shaukat Sahab, Dr. Ahmed Shahzad Sahab. As a legacy of High Noon, we always work in disseminating the knowledge at grassroots level. So in continuity of all these things, today our session of metabolic interplay between type 2 diabetes mellitus and CVD risk transition from glucose centricity to a complication center model. None other than a speaker, a very humble Pakistani but graduate from a Nishtar hospital, now working as a director in Dubai Diabetes Center. He's a basically Dr. Hamid Farooqi, who worked in Joslin Diabetes Center, or it's considered as one of the key institute in Florida. So with this, I would like to request Dr. Hamid Farooqi for his presentation. Sir, please. So, sir, can you hear me, please? Dr. Hamid?
After this session, there will be a lucky draw from the Yats Pharma. So be seated, and if some of your friends are outside, they do come in the to participate in this lucky draw. Do you hear me, Dr. Hamid? He will be basically talking on the importance of the complication-centered approach. You see, when the patient is diagnosed as diabetes, we only think about the diabetes कि कोई ऐसी drug दें जो diabetes control करे. But now the world has totally changed. Now the drugs are more focusing on the reducing the complication of the disease in the future. So that drugs or the modalities or the lifestyle modification which improve the decrease the complication of the diabetes, that is more important. Dr. Farooqi will be focusing on this aspect.
Start now, please.
Okay, thank you very much.
Dr. Farooqi, are you listening?
I hope you can hear me. Can you see my slides as well?
Are you listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, we can hear.
Okay, you can start your talk. Your topic has been already discussed. You can start the talk. Are you listening, Dr. Farooqi Saab? While the connectivity is being made with the diabetes, Dubai Diabetes Center, I would like to share the views of one of the eminent cardiologists, Professor Abdul Fisab, to give the expert opinion on diabetes and the cardiovascular disease. Sir, Professor Fisab, till the connectivity is made.
I think we have two excellent talks by Professor Adil. I think that talk is very important, and the take-home message from that talk is that the patient who have type 2 diabetes and have cardiovascular disease, they are high-risk patients. That is very important to remember. And they have a high cardiovascular mortality. So while you are treating the diabetes, you should not just focus on HbA1c. Your target HbA1c should be around about 7, and aggressive control of diabetes in cardiovascular patients and tight control of HbA1c in cardiovascular patient leads to increased cardiovascular mortality. So that is very important. The ACCORD trial has shown that. So the HbA1c should be around about 7, and you should use the agent, in addition to the agent which you are using, you should use the agents which have proven cardiovascular outcome. And there are only two agents. One is GLP-1 agonists and other are SGLT2 inhibitors. So you must include them in your prescription, particularly if your diabetic patients are overweight. So that is important. So these are the two important components of your patients. Do not just focus on the control of diabetes. Please take a look on the blood pressure, and the target blood pressure has to be 130/80, and use ACE inhibitors or ARBs. Please give statin to your patient, and the target LDL now in cardiovascular patient is 55. 55 is the latest ESC guideline that shows the target LDL is 55, or 50% reduction of the LDL. So that is important. That is the new goal for LDL in your patients. And spend some time with your patient for lifestyle modifications, weight reduction, and stopping of smoking. That is very, very important. So the other thing is that when you are sending your patient for PCI or for the cabbage, please look at the CD and then see whether it's a diffuse disease in diabetes, it has a multivessel disease, and what is going to be what is the ejection fraction, and what is the outcome. And sometime if patient who have a poor ejection fraction or diffuse disease, it's better to treat your patients medically. The second presentation, which was on fatty liver, very important, very, very important. My request to hepatologist, while you're treating with fatty liver, please take a look on the heart of your patient. And my request to cardiologist, while you're dealing the patient with diabetes and heart disease, please take a look on liver functions. or send your patients for ultrasound and elastography. Connect हो गया? Thank you. Thank you.
So, Imran, can we connect? So again, my apology for this inconvenience. It's all about the glitches of a technology. We do have an advantage as well. A person who is sitting in Dubai is going to be connect with us, but at the same time, technology के कुछ glitches है, उनमें से हम go through रहे हैं. Are we ready, Imran? Just a moment. Okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sir, can you hear us? Dr. Hamid? Okay. अब लेके जाओ करो। कहाँ पे गए? Yeah. Dr. Ahmed, maybe we go for a lucky draw. Meanwhile, they will connect to us because time should not be wasted.
So all the participants be seated, and there will be lucky draw of smart watches. 5 lucky draws हैं, which the participant will be sitting only will be given that prize. I request our worthy Vice Chancellor to please share this lucky draw and ask Hashmi Saab to have the first lucky draw. Sir, please, first lucky draw will be announced by our worthy Chancellor Sir. Sir, please.
No, please hold your breath.
Let's see who is the winner.
First name is Dr. Haris Arshad from Toba Texing.
Dr. Haris
If
Ashar
he is
from Tova
present.
Texing.
Haris Arshad. Not
If
present.
Is here.
एक और ले ले यार.
Then we'll move on to next.
Get another one. Right. The second name is a person from Sialkot. Dr. Rab Nawaz.
Dr. Rab Nawaz Saab from Sialkot. Is he sitting here? So we move on to third one. Ji sir.
Unlucky people. Doctor from Lahore.
Ji Lahorians.
Dr. Kaleem Ashraf.
Dr. Kaleem Ashraf Saab from Lahore. I think most of us
Doctor from Karachi. Dr. Muhammad Javed.
from Karachi.
Another doctor from Sialkot. Dr. Abdul Wahid.
Dr. Abdul Wahid Saab from Sialkot. The lucky one. Out of 5 persons, he is the lucky one to be here.
Sialkotis are lucky. Another doctor from
Sir.
Sialkot. And this time it's a lady.
I request Professor Tufyal
And
Saab
a lady
to give
from
this
Sialkot.
prize.
So the ladies get alert.
Tufyal Saab se le le.
Fatima Shabir.
सर प्रोफेसर तुफैल साहब सर
लाएं जी
फॉर लकी
4 पर्चियां और ये भी आ गई
सर के थ्रू सर को नेक्स्ट
this
पर्सन
time from Karachi
नेक्स्ट प्राइज विल बी डन बाय प्रोफेसर
so Karachi
सर
Muhammad Ali Dr. Muhammad Ali of course
डॉक्टर मोहम्मद अली
वहां से आवाज आनी शुरू होगी तो ठीक है A doctor from Faisalabad Mohammad Wasim
मोहम्मद हसीब
Wasim
Doc-
Wasim हाँ यहाँ इनसे करवाएं दोबारा करवाएं हाँ डॉक्टर फैसलाबाद डॉक्टर सुहेल अंजुम
डॉक्टर सुहेल अंजुम साहब
oh great
सर प्रोफेसर तुफैल साहब विल बी गिविंग द प्राइज
wow give me 3 more पर three slips give me 3 more slips लाइन जी इसको खत्म करें लो जी किस एक्स्ट्रा ये क्या है जी कहाँ का सिटी अरुणा लाड़काना या somebody from लाड़काना डॉक्टर पवन कुमार
डॉक्टर पवन कुमार फ्रॉम लाड़काना
हैप्पी दिवाली नहीं ये कोई और कुमार है भाई डॉक्टर फ्रॉम हाफिजाबाद डॉक्टर जाहिद जावेद
डॉक्टर जाहिद जावेद साहब
ग्रेट
ये
गिव मी 2 more this time it is Faisalabad and it is a lady doctor so all ladies from Faisalabad please hold your breath Dr. Alia Naeem
डॉक्टर आलिया नईम she has got the smartwatch prize
she couldn't get the smartwatch she is
So
not
next
smart
one.
to get the watch Rawalpindi sorry Bahawalpur Dr. Zulfikar Anjum I think
डॉक्टर जुल्फकार अंजुम साहब फ्रॉम बहावलपुर
wow so last one let's see who is the lucky one this time doctor from Lahore and this is a lady doctor last name is Sultana first name is Nasra
डॉक्टर
Nasra
नासरा
Sultana.
सुल्ताना डॉक्टर नासरा
Not here.
सुल्ताना साहब so next one
next doctor from Karachi Karachyites Dr. Nayyar Ali
डॉक्टर नैयत अली फ्रॉम कराची so next
last doctor from Lahore Dr. Tahir Rasool or Basool again doctor from Lahore Dr. Sadaf Khalid
डॉक्टर
is it a
सदीफ
lady
खालिद
or gentleman Sadaf again doctor from Lahore again a lady doctor last name is Fatima first
डॉक्टर
name is Mahrukh Fatima
डॉक्टर मारूख फातिमा फ्रॉम लाहौर
Faisalabad Dr. Ali Raza
डॉक्टर अली रजा फ्रॉम फैसलाबाद
Karachiite Dr. M. Asfar
डॉक्टर असवद
Asfar
असफर
Badeen Sindh Dr. Muhammad Yusuf.
Dr. Yusuf from Badin. जी जी.
आगे
He's here. जी.
आइडेंटिटी
is-
कार्ड दिखाना पड़ेगा भाई.
Badin is one of the
हाँ,
famous
ऐसे ही
city
नहीं.
of Sindh area. सिंध के लोगों से वैसे ही हमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार है. So he has lucky draw as well.
Saud. Doctor from Karachi, Saud Ahmed. Saud.
Dr. Saud Ahmed from Karachi.
साउथ कौन से? इनका चेक किए शांति कार्ड? हाँ, कार्ड चेक कर लिए भाई.
Okay, we are connected with the net. Dr. Faruqi will be delivering the lecture on complication approach regarding diabetes.
Okay. 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 Can you see the slides as well? Slides नजर आ रही हैं जी? Okay. How about the slides? Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Can you hear and see my slides as well? Yes?